When it comes to beautifying and protecting our fences, many homeowners wonder about the impact of fence stain on nearby plants. So, will fence stain harm your green companions? Fence stains, especially those that are oil-based, contain chemicals that can be harmful to plants if they come into direct contact. When applying stain, it's possible for droplets to splatter or for the stain to run off, potentially landing on adjacent plants. If plants are exposed to a significant amount of stain, it can block their pores, preventing them from breathing and conducting photosynthesis. Over time, this can lead to wilting or even the death of the plant. However, there are precautions you can take. Before staining, cover nearby plants with plastic sheets or tarps. This will shield them from any accidental splashes. Additionally, choose a calm day to stain, as this reduces the chances of the stain drifting to plants due to wind. In conclusion, while fence stains can harm plants if they come into direct contact, with careful preparation and application, you can protect your greenery and keep your garden thriving.